two-letter words. These are all the two-letter words. We will discuss one by one. M, N, S, at, X, B, buy, do, go. He for male, hi. If, in, is, it, me, my, no, of, on, or, so, to, up, us. We. Thanks for watching.
Like, comment and subscribe.